G'day, I'm Don Elgin, lead coach of Wallara Online. One of the things I love about my job is seeing the great outcomes that the participants get from their online classes. Recently, Phoebe did an online makeup tutorial class. She was so inspired, 2 hours after class, she went and grabbed her mum and created her own makeup tutorial. Check it out.
Here is Phoebe's makeup instruction video. First of all, we take the big brush and we contour. Here on your cheeks, here, and then here. That's it. And then up here on your forehead, a little bit on the side. Perfect. When we're done with contouring, we pick up a smaller brush and we dip it here in the blush, gently, okay? And then we just do the apples of our cheeks, just there. One there, one there. That's it, go around a little bit. Hang on, I'm gonna take your glasses off. No, that's it. Just up here, up here, up near your eyes. That's it, just there, good. And go around and around a bit, because you've got to get the colour on there. Nice, nice. And then when we're done that, we can dip in here, gently, and then we do our eyes, our eyelids. That's it, eyelid one. Oh, not eyebrow, eyelid. Across your eye, just a sweeping motion across the eye. That's it, a sweeping motion. And then we take this small brush, and then we do just along our eyelash line, just to provide some definition. Okay, we've got our makeup case, just some definition. And the other side. Perfect. And are you done? What do you need now? And you need some lipstick. Oh, this is highlighter. So you grab that and put a little bit on your finger, and you put it just up here on your cheekbones up high. Just that's it. And then, just to finish off, we need to do a strong lip. That's a bit more highlighter. Ready for this one? Here we go. No. Ready? Here we go for the nice strong lip. There we go, the strong lip. There we go. 1, 2. Smooch them together. Do a bit of smooching. Smooch. That's it. And then we just blot. We just blot. That's it. And girls, that's how you do it. That is how you make a beautiful face.
Wallara Online have a huge variety of programs, from numeracy and literacy to independent living skills, sports and entertainment. If you're into art and performance, we've got those as well. If you'd like to join one of our online programs and have NDIS funding and are over the age of 18, then email us at online@wallara.com.au or call us on 0435 139 674. We'll see you online.